Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change original orientation in USB memory settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is you want to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, go to Function Settings and go to Store Access Files. Now after you go there, go to Common Settings and just spam everything up top. So Scan and Store Settings, USB Memory Settings, and then change default settings for USB memory. Now as you guys can see, we have the original orientation right here. For me it's set as portrait, but you guys can also set it as landscape. I personally use portrait, but it's all up to you, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.